Hello guys, so let's get started with the new lab which is unprotected admin functionality with unpredictable URL. So what is the description? The lab has an unprotected admin panel. It's located at an unpredictable location, okay, but the location is disclosed somewhere in the application. Solve the lab by accessing the admin panel and using to delete the user colors, okay. So think this as a black box pen testing, okay. So what happened in the black box when we get an application, we try to do fuzzing, we try to find some endpoint, we use some JS analyzer or something to find some endpoint. So what we do is mostly what we do, we open a network tab, then we uh, refresh the page, we see what are the things, see whatever I'm doing, make the notes, observe whatever I am trying to do. This is the methodology that we use in the real world applicant testing, okay. Don't think that we are solving a lab only, okay. Solving the lab is just a uh, uh, it's just a like practice to develop a thought process, okay. The main thing is to develop a thought process and to develop a methodology of pen testing, okay. We go for the JS file, we see the JS file and all, we see the API request. What is this? Fetch XR. This is an API request, okay. So we see everything. Now there is an admin panel. How we will try to find? So let's start with a very simple thing like admin. Try to find some admin or something. Not found. Administrator. Not found. Administrator panel. Not found. No problem. So let's do one thing. Go to the view page source. As I told you, there are many ways to find. Like we can go for the like this, or let's try for the admin or something. Okay. Yes, there is something. What is this? This is where is admin is equal to false and admin panel tag, and this is what is the admin. So there is an admin endpoint. Okay, there is an admin endpoint. Let's try to access here. Let's see what happened. 1 second, let me remove this point. Oh great, we got the endpoint. Now what happened in the real world application? Most of the time this is 403. So at that time we have to use the 403 bypass techniques, x forwarded URL, try to do something like this n null something, try to do give some n very like any null character or something. There are many things, okay. But for now what we have got, we have found the endpoint, okay, using some recon techniques. So we access this application and we delete the callouts. So yeah, so we have solved the lab. So let's take a notes. What we have taken the notes, as you open the web app in the browser, before login, try to find some sensitive endpoint. If they're use fuzzing, view page source, okay. Read the JavaScript code, read the JS code, read the JS code to find some sensitive endpoints, okay, to find some sensitive endpoints or something, okay. So in this way we can solve this lab. So thank you so much guys. I hope you people are taking the notes. Thank you so much.